Hello friends, good evening. Today we'll discuss the editorial page of Hindu paper. And today's topic is partial relief. AGR dues should not be allowed to impair customer-centric investments in telecom means AGR dues should not allow to impair customer-centric investments. Means they should not allow the impair customer-centric investments in telecom. The Supreme Court decision this week to allow telecom service providers 10 years time to settle their adjusted gross revenue due to the government comes as a partial relief to the debate lended in industry. Means the Supreme Court's decision means the Supreme Court took a decision this week to allow telecom services. Means they took a decision to allow the telecom service providers 10 years time to settle their adjusted gross revenue. Means they are giving time to settle their adjusted gross revenue. Dues to the government comes a partial relief. Means government will get a partial relief from this to the debt laden industry. This will give the older providers, especially Vodafone Idea, the crucial breathing space to figure out how they can reconfigure their business plans to stem the relentless flow of operational loss flow of operational losses and garner the resources to make the sizable annual payments to the center over the next decade. Means this will give the older providers. Means according to government's decision, that will give older providers, especially Vodafone Idea, the crucial breathing space to figure out how they can means it is a crucial it is they have less space to figure out how they can reconfigure their business plans. Means it is very hard to them to reconfigure their business plans to stem the relentless flows of operational losses. Means because of this they are having some operational losses. However, in setting a time frame, the court, which acknowledged the troubled land space facing the line chip industry, seemed to brush aside both the companies' request from the longer horizon as well as the center's deliberated recommendation for 20 years repayment period. Means they took the recommendation from the government of 20 years repayment period. The government having released the enormity of the problem and its potential of significantly. Means the government has given the government have realized that the enormity of the problem is the enormity of the problem and its potential significantly disrupt consequences to not just the industry but the larger economy as whole had the trashed out the matter at various levels. Means it has trashes at various levels. means it is having a lot of problems and it has trashed in different levels, including within the cabinet, including including within the cabinet before submitting its view. Means it is including all the cabinet, means within the cabinet, means it is including within the cabinet, means before submitting its view, means before submitting its view, it is including all the cabinet members. Without naming any company, the center had made clear that were the AGR dues to be sought at one go. Means without naming, means without any naming any company, means without naming any company, the center had made clear, means the central government had made clear that that were the AGR dues to be sought at one go. It could well push a service provider into insolvency proceedings. Means it may push the provider into some insolvency proceedings. Means insolvency means which can not be solved. Such a turn could potentially impact millions of subscribers, with the surviving operators finding their capacities stretched to handle a sudden surge of mobile portability requests, while simultaneously maintaining quality of services. Means due to this, it may decrease their subscribers. Means it will affect their company. Simultaneously maintaining quality of service, means they are maintaining one quality of service. Due to this, the subscribers may decrease. So means it is very it will bring a lot of loss to them. For that, the government needs to look beyond the AGR issue and remanage the way it prices and seeks to monetize the precious yet immutable public asset of radio spectre in future. Means the government should take some means it should take some other decisions to increase their product. Now we'll discuss some of the meanings from today's topic. Validated means check or prove the validity or accuracy of, means to confirm something that is gonna happen. For example, the data is validated automatically by the computer after it has been entered. Means the data was confirmed, the data is confirmed automatically by the computer. Hostility means unfriendly or act of warfare. Unfriendly means not being friendly with others. Example, hostilities broke out just after midnight. Means we can also say like bitterness. Hostilities broke out just after midnight. Crumbling means breaking or falling apart into small fragments. Example, she nervously crumbled her bread between her fingers. Means she pressed the bread with her hand, so it will spoil. Dismantling means take two pieces or pull apart, like breaking into two parts or something, like 4 or 5 pieces, like that. She dismantled the washing machine to see what's the problem. Means she divided the outer parts of the machine to see the problem for that. Obsessing means fill the mind fill the mind of someone. Means filling someone's mind. Means like example, she used to obsess about her height. Means she used to say about her height. Disinterest means objector or rebel. Peddle means try to sell or promote an idea, like giving some idea and to means like do that. He travels around peddling his wares. Churn means shaking milk or cream to produce butter. Example, the sea was churned up by the heavy winds. Means it was means like they shake the sea up by heavy winds. Means it was shaked by the heavy winds. Crooked means bent or twister out of shape, like illegal. You have to drive slowly on these crooked country roads. Means the country roads were not good. Configure means arrange or put together in a particular form. Example, the plan is configured by military use. For example, we have in chemistry that electronic configuration. So in that we'll arrange the electrons according to the increasing order of their atomic number, right? Like that. Garner means gather or collect or amass. Example, he garnered several Oscars for his performance. Means he got several Oscars for his performance. So the trashed means beat or wipe, like to defeat someone. Example, we trashed the visiting team 6. So these are today's meanings. Thank you.